Good morning, children. Welcome to today's Max online class. So, in the previous class, we have completed the textbook sums and homework sums I gave. Then classwork sums also we did, isn't it? Up to how much we have written the classwork in the previous class? Up to the word problems, isn't it? Subtraction word problems I gave. Pizza sum and chocolate sum. Do you remember? So now keep ready the classwork, fresh page. Okay, keep ready. Max classwork, fresh page. Okay, I'll continue the classwork. Keep ready. Max classwork. So now ordinal numbers. What do you mean by ordinal numbers? So ordinal numbers means what we'll write in the order. See, for example, in which class you're studying, anybody asks, what you will tell? I am in first standard. So you will tell I am in one standard? No, you will tell first standard. For one, you will add ST. That is first. That is the ordinal numbers. Okay. Just two we won't write. We will add ND. That is second. Isn't it? Next year, which class you will go? We'll ask second, you will tell. And in which line your friend is standing? You will say third line. Which class your brother is studying? You will tell fourth. Just four you will tell? No. TH you add fourth. Okay. Like this we will write. That is the ordinal numbers. We'll write in the correct order by using this. Okay. That is the ordinal numbers. Keep ready classwork book, fresh page, and write the classwork book. Continue the classwork book. Previous class we have written now subtraction sums, word problem sums based on subtraction. After that, take out fresh page and write ordinal numbers heading. Then start heading in the fresh page. Write the number names of the ordinal numbers Which book you are all writing? Classwork book. In the classwork book today I'll give 2 mains, then the portion will be completed. Okay. Then I'll give the homework. Then I'll tell you what we should do next. Textbook, homework, classwork. Three books also have kept it ready now. First we'll finish the classwork, then I'll give the homework, then textbook. Okay. So we'll start. Finish the first write the heading. ORDINAL. Ordinal. NUMBERS. Numbers. Ordinal numbers. Okay. Then write the heading. Write the number names of the ordinal numbers. Write the number names of the ordinal numbers. Okay, number names, right? So, first, right here, FIRST, first, number names we should write first. Then, second, SECOND, second. Okay. Then third, THIRD, third. Then fourth, FOURTH, fourth. See, for me no place, I'm writing beside. For you places there in your book, you can continue in the next line only. Okay. However, you have seen the PDF notes, isn't it? Like this only, you can write. Leave a line, leave on a line and write one by one below the other. Okay. Continue the next line only. So this is fifth. FIFTH, fifth. Then sixth. SIXTH, sixth. Seventh. SEVENTH, 7. 8. E-I, G-H, T-H, 8. 9. N-I-N, T-H, 9. Okay. You should not write E. N-I-N-E will come now for 9, but when you write the ordinal numbers 9 spelling, N-I-N-T-H. That's it. Okay. Then 10. T-E-N-T-H. 10th. 10th. Okay. Understand? So I'll explain once again. See. First, take out classwork and write ordinal numbers heading. O-R-D-I-N-A-L, ordinal. N-U-M-B-E-R-S, number. So ordinal numbers means what I have told you, isn't it? For example, you will be standing in the line, isn't it? Like this, you and your friends all will stand in the line. So we'll ask you, in which line you are standing? We'll ask. You'll tell, I am standing in the first line, isn't it? Then which line your friend is standing? He will tell second line. Which line your friend is standing? One more friend. She'll tell third. Isn't it? Like that first, second, third, what you will use to write in the order, that is the ordinal numbers. Okay. So this you write in the classwork. I'll tell and give once again the spelling of the ordinal numbers. Okay. So just if you write 1, that is a number. If you add ST for that, then it is known as ordinal number. We'll call it as first. First. For 2, we'll add an ND. That is second. For third, RD you will add. That is third. Then for fourth, you will add TH. Fourth. For 5 also. From fourth onwards, all TH only. Only first, second, third, it will change here. Okay. Fifth, you will add TH. That is fifth. For 6, you will add TH. Sixth. For 7 also, you will add TH. That is 7th. For 8 also, you will add TH. That will become ordinal number 8th. Then 9th also add TH. Then it is become 9th. So 10 also add TH. Then it become 10th. Okay. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Okay. So this is the ordinal numbers. Now I'll read the spelling of the ordinal numbers. First spelling. F-I-R-S-T, first. F-I-R-S-T, first. Second, S-E-C-O-N-D, second. S-E-C-O-N-D, second. Third, T-H-I-R-D, third. T-H-I-R-D, third. Fourth, F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth. F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth. Fifth, F-I-F-T-H, fifth. F-I-F-T-H, fifth. Sixth, S-I-X-T-H, sixth. S-I-X-T-H, sixth. Okay. Seventh, S-E-V-E-N-T-H, seventh. S-E-V-E-N-T-H, seventh. Like that. Write neatly. Yes. So continue. 8, E-I-G-H-T-H, 8. E-I-G-H-T-H, 8. 9, N-I-N-T-H. Okay. 9 spelling you know, no, N-I-N-E, 9. But when you write in the ordinal numbers, E will not come. Okay. Only N-I-N-T-H. 9th. Then 10th. T-E-N-T-H, 10th. So once again, you want me to say? Yes. Don't get confused. First you understand properly, then only you can write it. Isn't it? Simply writing, no use. Understand, learn the spelling, then write. Should I say? Are you writing in the classwork? Write neatly in the classwork, children. Okay. Heading afterwards, leave a line. And each one ordinal numbers afterwards also leave a line. And continue in the next line and write it neatly. Okay. Say ordinal numbers. Write the heading is important from the beginning. I'm saying for you. So learn to read the heading also. W-R-I-T, right? T-H-E, the N-U-M-B-R, number. N-A-M-E-S, names. O-F, of. T-H-E, the ordinal. O-R-D-I-N-A-L, ordinal. N-U-M-B-R-S, numbers. Write the number names of the ordinal numbers. Okay, that is the heading. Next, first. What is this? How you should read this? First. Adding here ST, no? So write first and read first. First spelling. F-I-R-S-T, first. F-I-R-S-T, first. F-I-R-S-T, first. Then second. Add ND here. That is second. Second spelling. S-E-C-O-N-D. Second. S-E-C-O-N-D, second. S-E-C-O-N-D, second. Then third, already written here, no? Third, that what is this? Third. T-H-I-R-D, third. T-H-I-R-D, third. T-H-I-R-D, third. Then fourth, F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth. See, T-H I have added here, isn't it? So simply write the only one number means there is a number. If you add this one, then it will become ordinal number. Fourth. Fourth spelling F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth. F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth. F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth. Then fifth. F-I-F-T-H, fifth. F-I-F-T-H, fifth. F-I-F-T-H, fifth. Sixth. S-I-X-T-H, sixth. S-I-X-T-H, sixth. S-I-X-T-H, sixth. Then seventh. S-E-V-E-N-T-H, seventh. S-E-V-E-N-T-H, seventh. S-E-V-E-N-T-H, seventh. Eighth, E-I-G-H-T-H, eighth. E-I-G-H-T-H, eighth. E-I-G-H-T-H, eighth. Ninth, N-I-N-T-H, ninth. N-I-N-T-H, ninth. N-I-N-T-H, ninth. Tenth, T-E-N-T-H, tenth. T-E-N-T-H, tenth. T-E-N-T-H, tenth. Understand? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. 7, 8, 9, 10. That's the ordinal numbers and the spelling of the ordinal numbers. Write it and you practice. After writing in the classwork, take rough notes and you should practice in rough also. Okay, finish this main. After writing this main, keep ready the fresh page in the classwork. I'll give you one more main in the classwork. This is the last main today. Okay, one more main I'll give. Keep ready the fresh page in the classwork. Shall I erase this? Yes. So write the number names of the ordinal numbers. First, second, third. You should learn these spellings. Fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10. That you will tell off. Spellings you should learn. F-I-R-S-T, first. S-E-C-O-N-D, second. T-H-I-R-D, third. F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth. F-I-F-T-H, fifth. S-I-X-T-H, sixth. S-E-V-E-N-T-H, seventh. S-E-V-E-N-T-H, seventh. E-I-G-H-T-H, eighth. N-I-N-T-H, ninth. N-I-N-T-H, ninth. T-E-N-T-H, tenth. Okay, now keep ready classwork book. Fresh page, another page. Have you kept ready the fresh page, children? Yes, keep ready. Fresh page. Yes. Shall I start? Now start in the next page. Class of book only you write. Okay. Complete the pattern. COMPLET. Complete the pattern. Complete the pattern. COMPLET. Complete the pattern. Okay. After writing heading, leave on a line, and patterns means designs. Okay. Patterns is the designs. So leave on a line and write. I'll explain how to write. See, patterns means designs. Okay. So here is given. See, what is this? What is this? Lower month, isn't it? Lower A, this one V, upper V, lower V, upper V. Again, next, which one I should start? Say designs. Here given lower, then up. Again low, up. Again low, up. Then again low. Understand? Next, ball, kite. Ball, kite. Again kite picture afterwards. Which pattern I should draw? Ball. Correct. Ball, picture. Okay. Ball picture, then kite. Then kite. Then again after kite, ball. After kite, right? Draw again ball picture. That is the pattern. Okay. Just designs. You should see the order and draw. Third one. See, upper arrow mark, then lower arrow mark. Upper, down, like that. Lower. Otherwise, up and down you can. If you say, you'll get correct idea. I think no confusion. Okay. This is lower, upper, down, up, down, up, again up, sorry, down, up, down, like that only. The second picture, ball, kite, ball, kite, ball, kite, again ball. How many dashes they are given? That many dashes you should see. Here also, arrow mark, upper, lower, upper, lower. Again, I should draw which one? Here low is there. Draw upper, again low, here upper. Okay, next. Fourth one, plus. What is this symbol? Plus. When you do the additions, you will use now. That is plus. This is into. When you write the tables, you will write now that one. Plus. What you will call this? Into. Again plus, into. Again what I should write? Plus, into. Again plus. Understand how to do this main? Patterns main? Yes. So up to here you write the classwork and stop the classwork today. Okay. Enough. Classwork completed full. Next we will keep ready the homeworks. Okay. So once again I'll explain this main, then I'll erase. So classwork complete up to this much and just stop it. Okay. Then keep ready the homework. First I'll complete this. So complete the pattern. COMPLET, complete. THETA, PATTERN, pattern. So lower, up. So down, up, again, down, up, down. Okay. Here also, second one, ball, kite, ball, kite, ball, kite, and again ball. Here, upper, arrow mark, lower, upper arrow mark, lower, again low afterwards. What you should draw? Upper, again lower arrow mark, again upper arrow mark. Last one, plus, into, again plus, into, plus. Understand how to do the pattern sums? That's it. Complete up to here, then close the classwork book. Next, keep ready the homework. Classwork book completed. Okay, children? Okay, keep ready the homework. By the time I clear the board, you should all keep ready the homework book. Okay? I given 2 minutes time now. Keep ready the homework. I should do it properly, isn't it? Otherwise, you can't see properly. So I won't erase. That's why I'm erasing one more time. Keep ready the homework book. So today's maths homework, the previous class what you did? Horizontal addition, vertical addition sums, isn't it? This class you will do add on number line sums. Add on number line. Okay. The sums you do add on number line. For the sums you should draw the number line. We did in the classworks, isn't it? And this one homework, what rough note, all the books you have practiced. In the textbook also it was there, isn't it? So you know how to do. One sum I'll show. Remaining you can do. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, like this. Number line you should draw. Number line how to draw? Do you remember? I told you. Straight line, then 2 arrow marks. Then start from 0 to 10. In between, leave the finger space gap. Okay, first number 2, 0 to 2. Second number 1 step, 1 step from 2. 2 to 3, 1 step. What is the answer? 3. Like that. You should do the second and third sum. You should do. Okay. How to do you know now? Yes. Draw straight line and you should do. One sum I have shown, remaining you should do. So leave one on line, 2 lines only leave, no problem. It will look neat and you should draw the jumping also, no, that's fine. Then you should do. So, how to do second sum? 4. So, jump 0 to 4. What is the second number? 3. Jump step, 3 steps. 4 to 5, 1 step. 5 to 6, 2 step. 6 to 7, 3 step. What is the answer? 7. Understand? Next, 5. 0 to 5. First number. 5 is there. Jump 0 to 5. Second number, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is the answer? 9. Understand? First step you jump, you will get answer 9. 2 plus 1, 3. 4 plus 3, 7. How to jump, you know? 5 plus 4, 9. So first copy the question, draw number line, write 0 to 10 numbers by leaving finger space gap. Then see the first number. 0 to first number, what is given? If given to, jump to. If it is given for 4, 0 to 4. If it is given 5, 0 to 5. Like that. Second number, jump it. From 2 to 3, 1 step. Jump it, 3 answer right here. Then 0 to 4 your jump, 3 step is there, 1 step, 2 step, 3 step. That is the 7 is the answer, right in the box. Then 0 to 5, 4 steps, 1 step, 2, 3, 4. That is 9. Understand? So this sums you do in your homework book today. So class work finished, homework also finished. Now keep ready the textbook sums. Okay, textbook sums, keep ready. page number 94. Page number 90. Okay. Page number 94. Keep ready. Use forward counting to add. In the page 94, the sums are given, addition sums, isn't it? In the box it's given now, that sums. And in total, certain sums are there, C and 2. Like this. Questions are all printed. Only answers you should write in the circles. Okay. I am copying the questions because I should explain for you now. That's right. So by the time you all keep ready the textbook and pencil in the hand and be ready. Okay. By the time I copy the questions from page number 94. Plus 4. Yes. Shall I start? Have you opened? Have you opened page number 94, children? Yes, addition sums are there in the box. See, total 10 sums are there. Questions are all there printed like this. So only you should write the answers in the circle. So how to count, you know, addition, you know already, isn't it? Page number 94. So here is given plus means that is addition. Do you remember how to do? Yes, once again I'll explain. Do it. 6 in the mind, 3 in the finger. 6 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9. What is the answer? 9. Then second sum. 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9. Then 6 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 6, 7. Then 3 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 2 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Understand how to do? Next come to this row. So in the next row also it's given 5 sums. Isn't it? How to do? 4 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6. Again, 3 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6. Next, 8 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 8, 9. 2 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Understand how to do addition? Which page you have opened, children? 94. The 94 page only. It is given this copy. Okay. Copy the sums from page number 94. These sums have you written in homework? Yes. Have you finished this page? Shall I move to next page? Yes or no? Yes. We will move to the next page. That is page number 95. You can keep ready. Shall I erase this? Once again, you want me to explain this? Yes. 6 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 7 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 7, 8, 9. First number, keep it in the mind. Second number in the finger. Then count. 6 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 6, 7. Written here. Next 3 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next 2 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Written. Next 4 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 4, 5, 6. 3 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6. Then here. Then 8 in the mind, 1 in the finger. After 8, 9. 2 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 in the mind, 4 in the 3 in the mind, 4 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like that also I can do. Otherwise, one more method I've shown now. Like that also, 6 is there, 6 lines draw. Here 3 lines, then count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Like that also you can do. Any one method you can use it. Do this sums. Okay. So up to page, only one page we did today, isn't it? 94 page. Next page I'll continue in the next class. And in the next class, children, classwork all you have completed in this class. Okay, I have completed. So in the next class, I'll give the revision for the test. FA1 test is coming. So in the next class, I'll start the revision. For revision book, you can write in your long notebook they're given now. In that book, you can practice the revision. For revision, what you should practice means worksheet. Only June worksheet, it will be there for the test, FA1 test. Okay. In the next class, I'll explain for you. You all can practice. Okay. Today, you write the homework, textbook main 1 main, and the classwork I gave you 2 mains. That all you completed and practice with. Okay, I'll continue in the next class. Thank you, children.